Every new parent knows the debilitating fear that overcomes you the first night you bring your first newborn home from the hospital. The same question enters all of our minds. So, what do we do now? Eventually, the fear fades and we find our footing as parents. It's a natural progression. Parents of young families regularly face new experiences that raise predictable questions. That is what grandparents and friends are for, a kind ear that can provide easy answers and experience. However, there are some questions, and more importantly, critical answers that parents of young families need to go beyond the sage advice of grandparents and seek out an attorney. For that hard question and discussion that parents don't want to entertain, what if? What if something happens and our children are left without us? Who will raise our minor children? How can we guarantee that both sides of the family will still be involved in the children's lives? How can we ensure that they can still go to college? How do we prevent them from wasting the money we have left them? How will they ever know our story? What If was written by estate planning attorney Jamie Johnson to help young families work through these horrible but necessary questions. Together, we will develop a plan to provide you with peace of mind that your children will be protected and loved should the unthinkable happen. Click the link below or call Jamie at 703-670-0761 to request a free copy of What If to help you and your spouse create the legal protection your family needs and deserves.